I'm going to show you all how to make your own elderberry syrup with only 5 ingredients. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, I'm Yvonne from Step by Step Farming, where we try on this channel to help empower those who would love to try to seek to be self-sufficient. And today I'm going to show you all how to make elderberry syrup. Don't wait until it's flu season. Now's really the time for you guys to learn how to make your own elderberry syrup. It's not very expensive. It only takes 5 ingredients and it doesn't take long to make at all. It's going to be great for boosting the immunity for you and your family, and it's just highly beneficial. Not only that, but it's just much needed to make sure that we stay as healthy as possible. Okay, so let me show you very quickly what we have. We have elderberry, honey, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and ginger. And so in this video, I am personally doubling my recipe, but I'm going to explain to you all what the ingredients are. And if you want to double it, you can if you like. So the very first thing you're going to want to have, the main ingredient, is going to be your whole elderberries. And these are dry elderberries. You can get these from, if you have, I got this, let's see here, organic elderberry whole. And you can get these from your health store if you have one. If you don't, a lot of these things I'll just put links in below, because I know we all live in different places. Sometimes they're accessible and sometimes they're not. So you're going to want to have 1 cup of elderberries. And like I said, everything that I'm doing, I'm doubling this. So, but normally the recipe calls for 1 cup of elderberries. You're going to want to have 2 cups of water, so it's a 1-to-2 ratio. You want to have 1 cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, and when I say cloves, I do not mean garlic cloves, and also some fresh ginger that we peeled just not too long ago. Last is you're going to want to have honey. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your water boiling. Once this is boiled, we're going to add our elderberries, the cinnamon sticks, the cloves, and the ginger. You don't want to add the honey until you're finished. So just hang till the end and I'll show you all how to do that. Okay, after 30 minutes, stir it up. It up, and we're going to take a strainer and we're going to strain the remaining ingredients into another container. So let's do that.
Here, I'll hold it.
Okay. Okay, so I didn't pour it all in just yet. But you want to take it and just kind of press down. There you go, little mama. Good job. Scrape it all in there. Okay. So go ahead and press down. All right, so once we have strained it, we're going to pour it back into our pot. It's still very hot, so we're going to need to let it cool off before we add the honey. All right, the last thing is, once you've allowed your elderberry syrup to cool off, now we want to add the honey to it. So we have 2 cups of honey, and we're going to pour all that in. All right, now that the honey's been mixed with the syrup, just pour it all into a jar. Keep it in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 months.